www.gibsonTruckWorld. Calm 2008 Ford F250 King Ranch Crew Cab Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive with only 48k miles. Under factory warranty through 4, 6, 12, riding on a nice set of Fierce tires. With navigation, power moonroof, backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather memory seating, CD player, wood grain interior trim, power sliding rear window, keyless entry with touchpad and code, alarm, rolling tonneau cover, running boards, bed liner, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. The King Ranch package stands for luxury, comfort, and power, Texas style. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States.